Welcome to my olySwarm DeFi platform review, my usage experience. In this video, I'll break down the key features of olySwarm, explain who it's built for, and share my personal experience using it. olySwarm is a decentralized platform focused on bringing real-time cybersecurity to the DeFi space. It's powered by its own native token, NCT, and leverages a unique crowdsourced threat intelligence model. This platform allows security professionals to contribute their knowledge while also enabling users to benefit from advanced protection against online threats, making it especially valuable for anyone in DeFi, cryptocurrency, or blockchain industries. What sets olySwarm apart is its ability to create a decentralized marketplace for threat detection services. Users can submit suspicious files, URLs, and other potential threats. And the platform's network of cybersecurity experts can analyze and verify them. The system's incentivization model ensures that contributors are rewarded for providing accurate information. This makes olySwarm not just a tool for detection, but a robust cybersecurity ecosystem where experts get compensated, and users gain access to some of the most advanced real-time threat intelligence out there. olySwarm is tailor-made for DeFi users, investors, developers, and anyone engaged in blockchain ecosystems where security risks are prevalent. The platform is essential for anyone looking to secure their assets, protocols, or transactions from malicious actors. My usage experience was quite positive. The interface is user-friendly, and the integration with DeFi protocols was seamless. In fact, one of the standout features I found was how olySwarm instantly alerted me to potential threats during my interactions with DeFi platforms. It doesn't just identify issues, but its collaborative nature means that I'm receiving top-tier protection that evolves with new threats. I particularly appreciated the transparency and real-time updates about the detected threats, allowing me to make quicker decisions and minimize exposure. olySwarm also shines in the community-driven aspect, offering insights and alerts from a broad range of cybersecurity experts. This collective intelligence is something traditional platforms lack. If you're heavily involved in DeFi or any blockchain-related activities, I can't recommend olySwarm enough. Its blend of decentralization, real-time threat analysis, and expert collaboration provides a level of security that's essential in today's fast-paced digital world. In conclusion, olySwarm is an excellent platform for anyone looking to safeguard their DeFi interactions. The combination of advanced threat detection, expert insights, and a decentralized approach makes it an invaluable tool in the fight against cyber threats in the blockchain space.